sea fishing only. Out Polkerris today. Out for anything. We're gonna fish until it's dark. What time are we staying till? Don't know yet. Probably late at night. Got all the gear. Rods we're using. Got my brand new Sonic Vader XS. The brand new reel I'm using today, which is the Akuma Surf 8K. It's loaded with a 20-pound line. Gorgeous rod. I got it from Lone Shy Angling, so if you wanna get one of these bad boys, it's a beauty. I love it. There's another one I got from Lone Shy Angling, which is a trusty 10-foot beach caster, my Rebel 10-foot. And then on that one, I'm using the good old Rovex Airstrike with 15-pound line. And on the next one, I've got my missus rod, which is a Rovex Big Boss. Does that say bass? It's a bass rod anyway. And that's got a beautiful reel on that. Look at that. That is a Rovex Big Boss 8000, and that's loaded with 20-pound line as well. And that is 11 foot. Then we go on to George's rod. He's got a Shakespeare Firebird. It's only an 8-foot spin rod, but yeah, I gave him one of my reels because his other one was a bit, I think it would break. Got a decent fish in it, so we've got the Rovex Destiny size 4000. That's got 20-pound line on as well. Rigs we're using, all of them are pulley rigs. Some of them are pulley pennels. Baits we're using is sand eel, squid, peeler crab, and that's it. Sand eel, squid and peeler crab. I'm not casting out very far, but there's a lot of weed about at the minute. Just pulled a load in on the lines already, look. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So give it until the sun goes down, I'll reel them in and I'll show you how to bait them up. Okay guys, first capture the session. Decent sized spider crab. It's a male. Tangled all three of our rods down there. Little thing. But yeah, we're not going to keep him, so we'll chuck him back. And yeah, hopefully we actually get some fish. Oliver's been crabbing. Just show us what you got, Oliver. Oliver.
Let me show you what you've got.
Can you show me what you got? Yeah? Do you want to hold one?
What?
Do you want to show the viewers? Do you want to show the viewers one? Yeah? Do you want to hold the jellyfish?
Yeah.
You can go.
Aha.
What Oliver got, guys? Big as his hand. Look at that. Do you like it? Yeah?
You're going to get the fish now.
Do you want to hold the fish?
No.
No?
You won't do anything. No, hold it, Ollie. No,
I'll get the fish for you guys. That's what Oliver's got, look. They're decent sized blennies, they are. What did you catch them on?
Ham.
Ham? Wow.
Yeah, we caught him on ham.
Good job.
Ham.
Quite cool, isn't it? It's literally like jelly.
Can I hold it?
Do you want to hold the fish, do you, Abs?
Yeah.
There you are.
No. Oh my god.
A cup in your hand.
Oh my god. No,
Cup for both. There you go.
Oh my god. Dun! Get him!
I got it. I'll put him back in here for you, look.
What here?
Well, good job, Oliver, catching your fish. Hopefully one day you'll be a proper fisherman. Alright.
Kill him.
Good job, mate. Oliver's going to get my spider crab released now.
I holded him.
Good boy.
I want to hold him.
Do you want to chuck him in off the side of the wall?
That's it.
That's it. Walk straight forward. Good job. Good job. You can chuck him off the wall. Well done.
Way.
There he goes. Back down to the depths, look.
Get him! Get him back!
Hold on, Oliver. Finish off the session. A nice size pouting, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful pouting. Lovely. I'm going to weigh him because definitely my PB one. Alright. I'll take a picture, get you guys a better show. We just got a guy who caught a fish over here, guys. Let's see what he got.
Hello, we've got a fish.
That is a horse mackerel, that is scad. Brilliant bait.
We've got a fish, yeah.
Good catch, mate. What was that, on a lure?
Just on a just feathers, I think.
Oh, feathers. Yeah. Nice, good job.
So yeah. So could you bring some tin foil down?
Get you guys a better show of that. Down on the harbour wall now, guys. Last time I checked these tyre pots, I actually found like crabs in them and that. So let's have a look. Just move that. None in that one. Check the next one. Don't think there's any. Oh, actually, look, there's little shrimps in there. I don't know if you guys can see them. You see them little shrimp? Their eyes, look. Look at them. See them move? Let's check the next one. Yeah. Just move that seaweed. I don't think there's anything in this one, guys. No, nothing in that one. Oh, look at them seaweed lice. Yummy. No, nothing in that one, guys. That's just full of seaweed lice. Look at them there. Creepy things. What you can do as well, you can actually find crabs doing this. Is that you can actually, if you move the seaweed here, you can usually find crabs just roaming about. But I don't think any around here really. I don't think there's going to be anything here. No. Well, anyway, guys, there you go. Some tyres on the wall and there's some shrimps in there. Here they are again. See their eyes? Yeah, they're not big enough, so I ain't gonna take them. No fish since mate caught that horse mackerel. I had a few twitches on the rod, but nothing serious. We're gonna get packed up soon anyway, so give it another 15 minutes. If we don't get anything, then I'm always going out tomorrow, so hopefully I can show you guys some wrasse tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we get some fish. It's going to be a wrap now, guys, the end of the video. Nothing else after that bloke caught that horse mackerel. Just gone dead, so I mean, I'm going out fishing tomorrow. I'm going for wrasse. I'm not sure if I'm going to take my beach caster out yet. I might do and try and fish for whatever's about in the daytime. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some big wrasse tomorrow. I'm taking out my missus and her little brother, so teach them some stuff about how to get them, what depth to fish and that. Hopefully we get some big ones I can show you guys. They've been pretty small lately, the wrasse. Yeah, the small ones are fun to catch anyway, so yeah. If you like the video, guys, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.